Going everyone, so I will show
Seven
you
class.
one of
Dumating
my
ba?
stationaries, and of course I'm sorry that I didn't continue the Hamtaro Ham Heartbreak, so I changed this from my stationery, and you will see one of them. So first I got this little stationaries, this one here,
Oh.
here, and this one. Oh, I forgot the one. I forgot the two of them.
Kopi ko.
Ah, I keep saying falling down.
Yung bang,
This one. This one.
ano ba to?
A pineapple. A banana.
Magkano?
A strawberry.
998 lang yung gardenia?
A banana. And of course a mushroom.
Oo.
And that is all, because all of them are the same, like this one. Next is I have this little smiley face.
May sigarilyo na kayo. May sigarilyo pa kayo hanggang mamayang gabi. Kaya pa.
Here's blushy
Wala na
one.
kayong ibang bibilin.
The blushy
Yung
one
benta
too.
nyo ngayon at saka yung benta bukas ni Alvin, pagsamahin na lang. Kasi para sa delivery
The
ni
happy
Sisi.
one.
Tapos yung nakaschedule bukas, meron pa naman dito sa akin. Ako na bahala doon. Yung nakaschedule bukas. Major spring lang naman yun at saka yung
The crying
R&M.
one.
Basta ang paghandaan kamo nila yung sa
The
Sisi kasi
desperate
cash yun.
one.
Tapos i-check kamong maigi.
And
Dahil once na
the surprise one.
may maling
I guess.
ano doon, hindi na pwedeng habulin. Mahigpit ang casing.
Wait.
Once na merong kulang, hindi mo na makakabol. Kasi kasalanan na nag-check
And
yun.
next, I got this little scented
Sige na.
popsicle
Ano oras kayo
lollipop
uwi ni
stick,
Joshua?
and it says there,
Sige na.
I'm happy one day with a popsicle stick. Gusto mo manood? Gusto mo manood? Manood yun. I'm sorry. Okay, here is one
Ano yung gagawin ni Lola mo? Nanonood ba?
little and I'm back.
Reset mo ba? Hindi mo ni-reset?
Here's my lollipop scented.
Nanonood ka ba?
Opo. Popsicle stick. Here are chocolates, stationery, pencil, the chocolate, eraser chocolate, and the ball pen. The pin will with a panda and a pencil. The pancake, ice cream, orange, banana, green bird, red bird, yellow bird, no face bird. Actually, that's blue bird. It just lost its face. And thank you for watching. So that's all I have. Thank you. Bye.